Welcome to Board Briefs with Bridget. I'm Bridget Hazelbaker, the Director of Student Support Services and Communications at Richmond Community Schools. At Wednesday's board meeting, we had the opportunity to celebrate our Office of Student Support. I was excited to share some of the incredible support services that our students and families have benefited from so far this school year. Let me tell you about some of the amazing programs. Our Family Liaisons program has 7 dedicated positions working directly with families to connect them with needed resources and to connect them with needed supplies through our RCS Care Closet. Soon, our Richmond High School Applied Skills students will be assisting us by fulfilling these requests, which is a wonderful way for our students to give back to the community. We're currently accepting donations for items that make a real difference in our families' lives. Here's a list of some of the items that we are looking for. If you'd like to help, donated items may be dropped off at the RCS Administration Building at 300 Hub Etchison Parkway, Monday through Friday from 8 to 3 at door number 1. These are just some of the ways that Richmond Community Schools is helping support students and families.
Good evening, community members. This is Michael Elorreaga, school board member of Richmond Community Schools. On Wednesday's meeting, we heard Karen Scout present the 2026 budget and spoke about plans about capital projects and bus replacement plans. Also, we approved 3 MOUs, one with Ivy Tech regarding welding and certified clinical medical assistants. Alongside that, we approved the Fire and Rescue MOU with Richmond Fire Department. The last MOU, we approved the Richmond Adult Education with Wayne County Jail. Lastly, we heard an update on the Title IX audit by Church, Hiddle, and Antrim. There were no violations with Richmond Community Schools and high school. We welcome you to visit the whole full report on our website at wearerichmond.com. The audit provided us recommendations for improved athletic experiences, and we welcome those athletic experiences amongst our Richmond High School teams. Thank you again. Hope to see you soon.
Thank you for your continued support of Richmond Community Schools. I'll see you next time.